I'm SPA Dafe Bright, and this is Delta State Police Command. We are here once again. I'm just laughing because this is actually funny. I know some of our audience will be wondering, this is where PRO they show us Cane. What are we doing with Cane? When you see Cane, you see phones like this one, and you see laptops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I believe we all know where we are going to. But the sad part of this whole story is, what are they doing with canes? Are we in the era of slave trade? I don't know what to call this. Early last week, or when did they report? On the 17th of this month, we got a complaint from this chap here that he's being locked up in a particular place where he uses not to say what he went there to do. However, he said they usually flog him with some of this cane. And not just like they were flogging him, when you come close, you will see visible marks of cane. Don't look at me. Visible, just look at this. And this is another young chap. The same thing. They will tell us why and how they came about these marks on their body. It's so pathetic because one would wonder, why would they lock them up in a particular place? This is not the first time we are parading boys who were being held hostages and forced to do what they call HK. It's actually HK, and that is what they are doing. So many canes. They are here, they will tell us what they are doing with the canes. So, my guy, what's your name? Ocha? Okay, how old are you?
28.
28 years?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, briefly tell us why you ran to the police to report.
Because I was in the house for 2 months and a day. For the when they feed us, we used to eat once in a day. Then after that once in a day, 93 days or 4 days, we no get access to our phone. So to come and say I won't go house, I no go fit because some of boys wey don't go meet and say they won't go house, we go beat them. I no go say allow them go.
Okay.
So before I drop
so when you meet and say you won't go house, what you got to?
No, I no meet them because I don't see people wey don't go meet and you know allow them.
Okay, you want come out and make you very wrong.
Yes, sir. So
how you take manage come out for the house when you fit go tell police yes, what they happen to you?
Now from window and job.
Oh, you jump from window?
Yeah, us there.
Okay, you said you jumped from the windows. Now all these marks wey dey your body, how you take get am?
Now then they focus because we never get mama wey dey pay us money. That's
because
pay.
You never get who?
Mama wey dey pay us money. That's pay client.
Wetin be mama?
As a woman wey dey pay us money.
Okay, paying client.
Yes, sir.
So once you not fit pay.
Well, we never get that woman wey dey pay us money. Then go dey beat us.
And the beating go bring the client come?
No, sir.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 22 years.
Tell us why they give you this mark for body.
Because I never catch client.
Because you never catch client. How long you don't stay with them?
1 month, sir.
Okay, you still want to stay with them or you want run?
No, sir. Since I come after 1 day, I tell them say I want to go back, but I no agree.
Where are you from? Come.
Benue State.
Benue State.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we've heard from them. I will be interviewing the chairman, one of the chairmen. So he will tell us why we are here. Not the reason why we're here. My brother, do you know these guys?
Yes, sir.
Who are they to you?
They're working with me.
What kind of work?
HK.
HK, what is HK?
They work internet.
Work internet. What do you explain? I don't understand.
HK is where we work internet work like Yahoo. Yeah,
like Yahoo. And be specific now. Make our audience understand. So what about these marks on their body?
That is because they are using my laptop to watch porn. And
okay, that's why you flog them.
Yes, my sub yes too.
Okay, but they actually came to your house to learn HK. Yes. So because they use your laptop, they watch porn, I make you flog them like this.
It's only once. I only flog them once.
Now only once. Now be this mark going full body like this. Yes, okay, you get this mark for your body too. Huh? The time when you learn your own HK, and so they flog you.
They flog me too, sir.
Okay, so now the process with that. Okay, he's just telling us this one now. Well, my concern is this. This chap is 22 years old. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other victims. I will call them victims. How old are you? One is 19. You? 23, 22, 19, 25. How long have you been with them? What are they learn for your hand? Well, your own voice is not getting to the mic. However, this is not the way of life. It's short-lived and it's a crime in Nigeria. I want us to know that the business of internet fraud is a crime in Nigeria, and that is why whoever we get will be duly prosecuted and charged to court. This is just an additional offense. Can you imagine what a human being will do to a fellow human being? Marks and bruises all over their body. This happened in Japa Road in Warri. This is Delta State Police Command. Thank you.